This is the first in our short video recipe series. This is chicken pickle wings on the grill. Hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. Trim up your chicken wings, separating your drumettes from your flats. And don't forget to take tips off. Trim up any excess fat. Put your chicken wings into a Tupperware container or your favorite vacuum seal marinator. This is the way I like to do it. Links to everything in the description below this video. Pour in your favorite pickle juice. We like Famous Dave's sweet and spicy pickle juice. Make sure you get all that good stuff in the bottom. Yeah. Use the canister mode of your vacuum sealer to seal it up. And stick it in the fridge at least for an hour to get happy. More is better, and of course the Tupperware works fine too. Preheat your grill to between 350 and 400 degrees. Now let's open up the canister. Love that vacuum seal marinator. And get those pickle wings on. Cook them at 350 until they're ready to flip. Give them a flip. Drink a beer in your toadfish. Get them off between 175 and 180. Perfect. Quick and easy. Give me that thumbs up, like button, and don't forget that subscribe button down there and the bell icon so you don't miss the next short recipe video when it comes out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.